A quick definition of litotes is that it's an understatement which is formed by taking the opposite and then negating that opposite. So to unpack that, what is understatement? Well, understatement is not literal. So let's say I'm good at tennis. I'm not, but let's say that I am. If I overstate my ability, then I would say I'm really good at tennis. I'm not. If I understate my ability, I would say I'm quite good at tennis. I'm a little bit better than that suggests. So it acts as an understatement first of all. But then to do that, you take the opposite of good, so I would say bad, and then I would put the word not, or I would negate it in some way. So I would say that I am not bad at tennis. It's effectively saying the same as that I'm fairly good at it, but it's a way of understating as well, because not bad sounds a little bit less than being good. So it's a form of understatement that takes the opposite of what you want to say and then uses a negative, a kind of double negative if you like. Let's look at another example. So if I want to say that it's important, it's really significant, but I want to understate it, I can do that by using litotes. Instead of important, I can say insignificant, so I take the opposite, and then I pop the word not in front of that. And by saying it's not insignificant, I'm kind of understating the fact that it is actually quite important. So I downloaded this list of examples from literarydevices.net, and you can see the examples. The novel is not bad. So you're trying to say the novel is good, but you understate it by saying it's not bad. You're not wrong. In other words, you're right, but you're understating it. You're not wrong. The effect of the not wrong is to lessen the being right, or suggest that you're not actually quite right. So it's understating it. I can't disagree with your logic. Can't agree with it either, but I can't disagree with it. My feelings are not unhurt. In other words, they are hurt, but I'm softening it. I'm understating it. So it's not a literal stating what something is. It is understating the case. So it is a figure of speech, and it seeks to do that understating by taking the opposite and then negating it. My car was not cheap, i.e. it was bloody expensive. So I hope that litotes is a little bit easier to understand with this explanation and these examples.